So here it is. So what is this hardware? We are having a computer or a laptop. So we have a computer or a laptop. So we are using for or different purposes. So one is like for a internet browsing purpose, maybe office purpose like a MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint kind of stuff, or maybe playing games or watching a video, or maybe classes like online classes, online presentations. Okay, or maybe you want to do some practicals like practicing Windows 10 or maybe Linux or Windows. Okay, so different purposes we are using a computer. First of all, that is basically, and of course there is a definitions of computers are there. So very simple in a word, so we can say like this. It is okay, I will close these things. Okay, see here it is. Basically a computer block diagram is there earlier. So I'm going to that basic block diagram only. Okay. So what is this block diagram? We'll see. Here it is. Okay. Like this. Very good. So what is a computer? Means computer will take an input and process the input and generate the output on the output devices. It take the input from input device and process the information and generate the output on a output devices. That's a very simple definition of a computer. Guys, one important thing, a lot of people because there are want to put some more extra in it. So put a questioning on it. Nowadays, like a romans we creating, same thing like that. There is nothing like is what is C, what is O, what is M, what is P, power back. Okay, so what is P, what is okay, U, what is T, what is E, like that. So there is no individual abbreviation is not there. That is people are created, just like people put a for I, E and D like this. Based on this it is not created. For example, RAM is random access memory. RAM is random access memory. Okay, there is exactly what is that meaning is there inside. Okay, exactly. So because of random access memory, then short form is like this. Okay. So computer name came from the compute. Compute means calculations. So someone of your senior or someone is believing that is the correct answer for what C, O, M kind of stuff, it's okay. Tell them, don't argue with them. So that's my suggestion. Okay, so another one is when system is processing your data and instructions, it need to store some information in the memory and retrieve the information from the memory. So what is that one? It called as memory. So finally, who is this processing our information and produce the information on the screen? So what is this? CPU. What is CPU? Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. Of course, there's a few different PUs are there nowadays. CPU, APU, CPU. Normally, processor is a processor only. So there is no APU, GPU kind of stuff. But to make it little bit different while you are purchasing or maybe you are spelling that one, two people are try to put a different name constructions to make it differentiate between one type of CPU to another type of CPU by manufacturer a purpose. Normally, if a manufacturing by Intel. Intel is one of the leading company who's manufacturing these uh, processors. Okay, so if Intel manufacture a processor that is called a CPU, if AMD is another company. AMD is another organization, another company like Intel, which is also means manufacturer CPUs. What is GPU? Okay, it is not based on company wise. GPU means graphics processor. Okay, graphic processor, like a graphic card, like a graphic card. Okay, separated dedicated graphic card is there. No? So like a NVIDIA graphics, 2 GB graphics, 4 GB graphic. So like that. So it's a graphic processor. So processor is particularly for multimedia purpose. Multimedia like a on screen how to get it like that. So okay, you are playing a games or maybe you are watching a 4K video, so the graphic processor will do that job, so make it more better for your main CPU. Okay, so these are the basic block diagram of your computer. So here we have started with input devices. So what are the basic input devices we use? Means is first of all standard input device is always keyboard. Very good. Standard input device is a keyboard. You know, a lot of people said input devices are keyboard, what we can say joystick, a scanner like this. Okay, um, but in a reality, so first of all, without a keyboard, you do nothing. Okay, you must connect a keyboard first. APU, AMD company processors. Very good. Okay, so that's the good. So here I put do you hear Ryzen? Ryzen 5, for example. Okay, so I'm going to Amazon only. Can you see this is AMD manufacturer this CPU? Okay, so it is also a CPU only. It is not a different one. It is also a CPU. Some people call this one as a APU. Why? Because of manufactured by AMD to different. This is a CPU. So which model? Intel type or this one? Yeah.
Since it has a inbuilt graphic card, it is called APU. Sir.
No, 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 no. Of course, AMD processor inbuilt graphic cards are there mainly. So this is a Intel processor. Okay. Discrete graphics are required. This is the Intel processor. Manufacturer wise only, but better I will verify because I took a long time.
The APU is a combination of CPU and graphic card, inbuilt graphic card.
Accelerated processing unit. Oh, okay, okay. That is a different APU. It's given series of processor basically act as a CPU and GPU on the single chip die. Okay, very good. Also found on gaming console that do not have a dedicated GPU separate from CPU. Oh, okay, good. So we'll take it from here only. Thank you, guys, because I don't mind about these things. No, sir. So completely I said wrong. Eh?
Yeah, no, no, sir. You said correct.
No, 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 don't worry. Yes. That is actually thanks for correction. Okay. So CPU and GPU. So GPU for graphic processor purpose, CPU regular data processing purpose. Data or instructions it will do it. Okay, but APU is a combination of CPU and APU. GPU. Okay, so this is we got it. Okay, so CPU, GPU, APU means it's a combination of CPU and GPU. Sorry guys, it's a mistake. Okay, where are we? Standard input device is a keyboard. Okay, standard input device is keyboard. What is a standard output device? Monitor. Okay, standard output device is monitor. Okay, so without a monitor you can't see what is going on with the computer also. Like if I'm having a monitor, right? Without a monitor you can't see, I can't see, kind of stuff. Okay, so but there is other devices also there for giving input to the system. So what are there? Okay, keyboard is a standard input device. That's remember. What are other input devices? Mic. Next, scanner, joystick. Okay, joystick. Okay, keyboard, mouse, joystick. I am getting small doubt. Still having a doubt. Sound printer, very good. Okay. See, this is why I think you like that. APU dual core. Okay, so that's why I confuse. Okay, so joystick. Any input device will go to the output devices. Printer, very good. One is printer, so we'll get a output. Next one, speakers. Speakers, um, printers, speakers. That's it, I think so. Okay, but here, so always a few devices. Always we have to tell very simple way, because I am telling very basic level only, not something like a very high part. So when you say printer, what printer will do? So if any copy, any data in the system, means if I have a document in the system, that is called a soft copy. Okay, if I have a document in my system or a pen drive or a mobile phone, it is called a soft copy. When I take a printer, when I take a printer, okay, so when I take a print, when I take a print, the copy we call it as a hard copy. The copy we call it as a hard copy. So what is a scanner? Because we know the printer, we know the scanner, but when someone is asked a question like how to tell an answer. So soft copy means document in your system or a pen drive or a mobile phone, that is called soft copy. Hard copy, paper format, print format. Okay, so that is called a hard copy. Scanner, I have a some document like a my education document, something is there, or maybe I have a paper. So I scanning and scan the document and put it into the system, or maybe I scan the picture and put it into my system. That is called a scanner. Means hard copy means a physical format. Okay, to soft copy. So soft copy means the data in the our system, so it will convert into that. So like that. Next, speakers. You know the speakers. So where we hear the sound. Okay, generate the sound or noise. Okay, sound, music. If you want to listen to the music or a voice, we need a speaker. We need a speaker. What is a mic? Receive. Okay, it receive your voice or a sound and put it into, okay, and send to our PC. Is from PC, that is to PC. This is a very childish thing. You people are already know, but you know sometimes when you are trying to speak an answer, we don't get an idea of speaking how to speak an answer. Got the point? So that's why I'm telling like this. Okay, so that is a speakers. Joysticks for playing games. Joysticks are usually for playing games. So that is joysticks. Uh, what we are missing? So what is this? What is this? This one? We forget that one. It's the most important device. Mouse. You're habituated to use mouse, right? So mouse is a pointer device. Mouse is a pointer device. Of course, for giving input also, it is very useful. Another input device. Okay. Currently, what is the currently for your mobile phone? tablets, of course, some type of laptops. What is the input device? Any input device? Touch screen. Okay. Another pointer device on touch screen. What is a pointer device? Stylus. That pen is there, no? Stylus pen. Okay. Touch screen input device. Okay. So we can directly operate the computer by touching it, like a monitor touching. Both will be in the same thing. And another one is like using a stylus pen. Also, we can fastly or we can draw something on it, like a tablets, mobile phone, and laptops with touch screens. So I have a laptop. It's a old laptop only, but I got a touch screen on it. Nowadays, touch screen laptops are very costly and completely they're separated now. Okay. Next, primary storage devices. Memory devices, but in that one, primary. So primary memory. So what are the primary memory devices? RAM, ROM. What are the primary memory devices? RAM and ROM. RAM and ROM. Next, what are the secondary memory devices? Secondary memory. Why people are again stop speaking? Don't worry, guys. I am the very open to learn everything, and you should be open to learn always. Okay, whether it is a small topic or a big topic.
Yeah, sir. USB,
Hard disk,
USB memory sticks,
very good. USB,
CD drive, DVD, Blu-ray discs.
USB pen drives, no hard disk. Okay, USB pen drives we are using to store the data. Very good. CD, CD-ROM, CD-ROM, DVD. Now Blu-rays also came up, right?
Yeah.
People when Blu-ray release and it's become immediately a Blu-ray. Now I didn't see any Blu-rays. Only Blu-ray, maybe the gaming CDs. Only Blu-ray, I think so. Okay, because it's a huge memory, right? Eh? Blu-ray is a optical memory. Okay, floppy
Yes,
disk.
yes, yes.
Because cost of Blu-ray and the device read and writer is very high. Up to DVD we can sponsor. Now we have actual hard disk pen drives. Online we can able to send 4 GB, 10 GB data. We can send through the Google Drive and all. So it is becoming very easy now. Floppy disk. Okay, like that. So they are very important. So which one is fresh one? That is only we have to put it. That is hard disk drives, SSD, solid state driver device. I have to verify once. Yeah, solid state drive. Okay, okay. Hard disk drive, actually hard disk drive or a hard disk. Okay, optical disk or a CD, DVD, Blu-ray. Okay, and a flash disk like a USB pen drives. Your SD cards. I'm typing SD cards are a nothing but flash memories. Okay, so SD cards also flash memories. These are the secondary memory devices. Okay, so up to here. So this is when I select this box. This must be this thin. That is, then it is good. Now it is separated. Good. Output, input. Okay. So what are the another parts of a computer? So mainly, so this is the outwards. Like we usually we see memory, RAM, is there, keyboard, mouse kind of stuff is there, monitor, printer, speakers are there. Okay, so these are all processor is there, but where it is connected, that is a three important things are there.
Mother,
To the
motherboard.
motherboard. Okay, to the motherboard. So what is this motherboard? So we can directly connect. So first of all, I'm telling directly we can connect your CPU directly on the motherboard. So directly means everything is directly only on motherboard. So first is on motherboard, CPU, RAM directly we are inserting on it. Of course, on motherboard we don't connect it, but it is already there. That is called a ROM chip or a BIOS chip. ROM chip or a BIOS chip. Okay. Not only that one, so the lot of chipsets are there. Okay. Next one is internally to the cabinet, like a through wire, just like by connector. Okay. So by connector, all remaining will come up like a your hard disk. SS. No. SSD separate. I will tell. So your DVD, CD, DVD, CD, DVD. What happened? CD, DVDs. Will connect it indirectly. Okay. So and power buttons. Okay, front panel, USB front panel, USB. Next, we connect power connections, power button, okay, power button, reset button, reset, LEDs. Okay, LED means power LED and hard disk LED. Two LEDs are there mainly. That is. Next one is back panel, mainly VGA port. So in VGA, we connect a monitor. VGA port, we connect a monitor.
In LED, we also have OLED.
That is your monitor LED. These LEDs means when you power on the normal computer, you can see there is a LED
Yes,
blinking is there, na?
yes, got it,
Power
got it.
button side. That is LEDs. Like a power LED. Next one is HDD LED. Hard disk. Okay. Back panel, VGA connection, serial port, parallel port, okay, USB, HDMI. HDMI. Some nowadays the computers are coming with the HDMI also, right? So HDMI. Okay. Um, PS by 2 for a keyboard and mouse connections. So on motherboard it is there. So motherboard is actually a centerpiece of entire your computer. Everything computers, everything is connected to motherboard only. Okay, without connecting to motherboard, you can't do anything. Okay, your monitor should be connected to your motherboard, maybe back panel, front panel, which panel it is. Okay, you have to connect a printer, so to USB or parallel port you have to connect it. Your monitor you can connect with HDMI, like a TV you can also connect with HDMI. Keyboard we can connect a keyboard, mouse we are connecting with a USB or a PS by 2. For example, Wi-Fi, USB Wi-Fi, anyway you have to connect initially, they have to initiate from the motherboard also. Okay. And on motherboard also there is a one more is there, that is called like SSDs. Type is M.2 type of framework motherboards, like a NVMe type of SSDs we can able to connect on motherboard. On motherboard. Okay, it is purely optional, like that. Okay, other type of SSDs are there, like a NAND SATA type. Yeah. Okay, I'm giving it details directly, so whether you if you don't understand this one, still no problem. Okay, so later you can understand, it is not a big deal. Okay, but I will show you in a picture manner also, I will show you in a picture also. Okay. What happened? This is black. Okay. Okay, on motherboard, one more is I forget here, that is one more is connection is going to motherboard directly, is our SMPS. SMPS for a power supply. This is nothing but a power supply. I will explain SMPS anyway. Okay, it's a power supply. So guys, are you okay with this one or not? Anybody recollected some of your some classes, maybe first year?
Yes, sir. And
Okay.
a graphic card also on the motherboard.
Oh, that again. Graphic card, very good. So we'll put it here. AGP, a dedicated GPU, accelerated graphic port, or nowadays we call it, means on accelerated graphic port, graphic processor unit is there. Accelerated graphic port means it's directly a graphic card. Okay. AGP is a GPU is a graphic processor, and AGP is a represent a graphic card. Okay, so anything in your computer must be connected to motherboard only. Without connecting to the motherboard, you can't do anything. Okay, you can't do anything. So even your hard disk, even your pen drive, or even your Wi-Fi connector, or maybe your Bluetooth mouse. So everything should be either directly or indirectly or through some port. You have to connect to the system. So that is it. So again, input devices, important one is keyboard. Other input devices are like this. Output devices, important one is a monitor. So of course there is a other type of output devices also there. Okay, primary memories are RAM and ROM. Secondary memories are hard disk, SSDs, CD-ROM, DVD, or a optical disk. USB pen drives also we can store the data nowadays, and a USB external hard disk also there. So that is also you can consider that one. So if you have a laptop kind of stuff, you can insert SD cards, kind of stuff. Okay, like to store the pictures, music files like that. Okay, floppy disk are over now. Floppy disk are not there. Okay, currently floppy disk are not we are not using because it says memory size is 1.44 MB. 1.44 MB. Nowadays, if you take a picture, that is minimum 5 MB picture. Okay, like that. Okay, how much cost of each floppy disk is 15 rupees. When CD-ROM came, and CD writers are into handy cost, because CD-ROM is the each one-time writing CD-ROM is around 6 rupees to 15 to 20 rupees maximum cost. Okay, DVD is also same cost, 10 to 10 20 rupees only. Okay, so some DVDs are very costly, even though they said it is a very good one, but nothing, no difference. Okay, now we are not using a CD-ROM also. Most of the laptops not come with a CD-ROM nowadays. CD, DVD also not there. So if you want to store the data, store in a your external hard disk. You want to put a separate copy, then put it in an external hard disk, or maybe if it is a simple documents, put it in a Google drives like a Google Drive or a OneDrive, iCloud. You can put it data. Okay. Still, you have some old DVDs or CDs, or maybe you want to still you want to put the data into the DVD. You have to buy DVD external writers. That's it. Okay, very less onboard DVDs are there. Okay, so motherboard is a main component. Okay, I will show you each and every component, how CPUs are look like, how motherboards are look like, how RAM is look like, and each part of details also I will give you. So this is the just first part. Okay, now take a break, just 10 minutes. I think 10 minutes is now it is 11 or 38. So I think it is like 11:40 type. 11:50. Be back at 11:50. Okay. So people who are using a computer kind of stuff, no need to disconnect. Okay. Be there at 11:50. So whether 11:50. Take a break, guys.